Okay, good day. I'm going to show you how I put the window wetter loop tube around here and how I put the nozzle on it. First of all, we've got a T-bar, which as you can probably see is I've heated it up and I've bent it a bit. That way it's a little bit more easy to use. So moving right along, first of all, we'll start with the wetter loop tube. Now I've got a T push fitting 6mm, and we've also got the micro irrigation tubing. The inside diameter is 4mm, but the outside 6 approximately. So we'll start putting this in and getting about what size we'd like. I like a little bit shorter here. I'll just cut this section off and like this. So now we've got this, we cut this in the middle like this, right? Now what we do now is get micro irrigation T-piece like this. I don't know whether you can see that, and it's got silicone O-ring seal washers on it. As you can see, that's a 4mm, 4mm. And what we do then is this nozzle, we put it on here and you get a screwdriver or something, so and you hit it. But I've already made one already ready to go, as you can see. So what you do next is you heat this a little bit. That's enough, and that goes on like that. So you do the other side, like that, and connect it fully on like this. Now what you now do is take this side out, get a zip tie like this, small zip tie, put it on this side, put it in, take this side out, and you put the zip tie on that side, put this in, make sure it's fully in, and finally sorry about that, dropped it. Finally we've got a larger zip tie which goes through here, through both these, and what you do is put this through till it's nearly tight. And what you do then with these small ones, you, please bear with me a bit, put that tight on, as you can see, I think you can see there, and you then tighten this tightly, and what I'll do now, I'll just try to cut these. And now you can see that we got the wetter tube on. Hope you have a better idea of how whether loop tube works, and well, I suppose that's about it.